Hey there, finance enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down tech and money management into simple, actionable steps. Today, we're diving into how to add investments to Copilot Money. If you're using Copilot Money to track your finances, adding investments is a game changer for monitoring your portfolio and staying on top of your financial goals. It's quick, straightforward, and will have you feeling like a pro in no time. First things first, make sure you have the Copilot Money app installed on your phone or computer. If you haven't already, download it from your app store and log in with your account. Once you're in, let's get started. Step 1. Open the app and head to the main dashboard. You'll see various sections like budgets, expenses, and investments. Tap or click on the Investments tab. It's usually represented by a chart or a dollar sign icon. Step 2. Look for the Add Investment button. This might be a plus sign, plus, or a dedicated button at the top or bottom of the screen. Click it to open the investment entry form. Here, you'll enter key details about your investment. Step 3. Fill in the required information. Start by selecting the type of investment. Options might include stocks, bonds, mutual funds, or cryptocurrencies. Then, add the investment name, such as Apple stock or Bitcoin, and enter the quantity, purchase price, and current value if you know it. Don't worry if you don't have all the details. The app often allows you to add or edit later. Step 4. Double-check your entries for accuracy. Copilot Money might pull in real-time data if you link it to your brokerage account, which saves time and reduces errors. Once everything looks good, hit Save or Add. And just like that, your investment is now part of your Copilot Money portfolio. You can view performance, set alerts, or integrate it with your overall budget. Remember, keeping your investments updated helps with better financial planning. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more finance tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay savvy and see you in the next video.